Okay, so now on to candy. So I'm gonna show you the first cuff that I ever made. I broke it.
Some days I wish I could turn back my clock to a simpler past, to the life that we had. I wanna go somewhere alone, feeling the pressure in my bones.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Ari. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ari. Today I'm going to be doing a jewelry candy necklace haul type thing, more of like a collection video. So I have all my jewelry today. It's mostly like candy and bracelets, and then I have a bunch of necklaces that I'm going to show you guys. I recently did a scene clothing haul video, which will be linked in the description. But I figured I might as well also do a scene jewelry haul because I have some cute jewelry that I got recently, and I have been getting into like making candy. Like I've been into making candy, but I've like learned how to make cuffs and stuff. So I thought I would show you guys what I have. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start, I'm going to show you my like non-candy bracelets, and then I'm going to show you my candy. So the first one that I have is this one. It's kind of like candy. I got this in my San Diego vlog, which I'll also link in the description. So I got this in Oceanside, California. It's, like I said, the beads are a little bit more like thin than candy beads, as you can see when I like pull it apart. But they kind of look like candy when you just wear it on your wrist. So I got it just because it's super neon and super colorful, and I really love neon. Also, excuse my nails that have no nail polish on them. I cannot keep nail polish on my nails to save my life. But yeah, I got it just because it's colorful and cute and it matches with my candy. Next one is this wristband. It says Pierce the Veil, and it has the little broken house on it. You can't really see it, but it's there. And this is just one of like the rubber wristbands from Hot Topic. I used to have more of these, but then I sent them to my best friend that lives abroad, and because I was like, oh, she doesn't have any Hot Topic over there, so I'll send her wristbands. Now I really miss my wristbands. To be completely honest, I don't even know where I got this, but yeah, this is my Pierce the Veil wristband, and I really want to get more wristbands, but Hot Topic like does not sell them anymore. Like, at least in stores, so maybe I'll have to go online or like look on Mercari, but this is the only wristband that I have. The next one is a slap bracelet. That was rude. I did show this in my scene clothing haul video, but it's a little temperamental. It was $2. I got it at Claire's and it was on clearance, and it's leopard zebra print. Okay, the next one's one of my favorites, and it's my spiky cuff. I got this one at Spencer's. Yeah, I got this at Spencer's. I had wanted a spiky cuff since like 7th grade, and last year I bought one because guess what, I have a job and I have my own money, and I realized that I can just buy whatever I want, so I bought this. And I don't remember how much it was, but I love it, and I haven't been wearing it because I left it in my car. But sometimes I usually dress more scene, but when the days I dress more punk, this is what I wear. Also, they're like actually sharp, and so if I ever go somewhere sketchy where like I might get kidnapped, I wear this, because if you hit someone in the face with this, like their face is gonna bleed. So it's kind of badass like that. Okay, so now on to candy. So I'm gonna show you the first cuff that I ever made. I broke it. How did I break it? What did I do? Oh, my knot broke because I'm not good at tying knots. That's my bad. Anyways, this was a cuff about 10 seconds ago, but now it's not. But yeah, I made this. I just clicked on the first tutorial that came up when I searched on YouTube, and I made it, and it used to be a functional cuff, but then my knot broke because I'm not good at tying knots. That's kind of sad. Like, I was gonna like put it in the thumbnail, but now it's broken. Okay, the next one that did not break when I tried to put on is this one. It is pink and blue, and the pink and blue are like transparent, and then the white is like normal. And I got this because I have recently been trying to wear like lots of bright pink and lots of bright blue, and in the scene clothing haul I showed some of the pink and blue clothing that I've got, so I just made this so I could wear it with both colors and it would match. Okay, so like same thing with this one. I've been trying to wear more neon green along with neon pink. These beads aren't see-through, but like I ran out of black beads, so half of it's black and half of it's white, and it kind of looks like watermelon or like Christmas, but I don't know, it's cute. Also, these are all made with like even Paiute stitch. Odd is too hard, and I learned like 2 days ago, so I'm sticking with even until I'm better at it and until I know how to tie my knots correctly. Also, I forgot to show you these. These are just the cute little like string rope bracelets, and I got them at an arcade by my house. And the story behind it is that when I was 14, I had a boyfriend, and we went to this arcade place, and then we got tickets and we bought bracelets, and I got a green one and he got a pink one. And so when I think this is the original one from when I was 14, and then we didn't talk for a long time because of life circumstances, and I missed him, so I got a pink one to match, and so I still just have these two to remind me of him. I'm over him. Like, I'm not like missing him because we're still good friends and we do talk. But I don't know, it was just like a good time of life and a cute thing, so I still have these. Okay, now to Kandi singles that I have, and then I'm going to show you the necklaces I have. And if you're getting bored, I will put, there's timestamps in the description, just like it said at the beginning of the video. So if you don't care about this or you're getting bored, I really hope that you will like the necklaces, because I have some really cool necklaces. So if you get bored of this, just go and click on the necklace section, okay? I promise. Don't leave before the necklaces. Anyways, this one says Ari on it in these little beads. You can't even see it honestly, but it says Ari right there, and it's rainbow because rainbow is cute, and then it has rainbow hearts down the side too. And I made this because I was making candy for everyone in this group chat that I'm in, and I mailed it to them, and then someone ripped all the envelopes open and stole the candy, which is weird because it didn't even have their name on it. But anyways, I decided to make myself one so I would match, except for I made mine cooler than everyone else's because I don't know. Okay, it's not that I made it cooler, it's that everyone else's was like 2 or 3 colors and mine's rainbow because rainbow is my favorite. This one is black and then metallic green because monster. This one is metallic purple and green because purple and green has been something that has always been a part of my childhood, so I like made a purple and green bracelet. This one's black and white because, you know, sometimes you just need basics. This one says, I know you can't see it, I'm so sorry that my camera doesn't want to focus today, but it says Ace right there on those 3 beads. And it's the Ace Pride colors, except for without gray because I didn't have gray. This one's pink and black because pink and black is cute. It's pastel pink because it was like Melanie Martinez vibes was what I was going for. This one has like transparent orange and yellow and red. And then in the yellow letter beads it says Girl on Fire on it because Hunger Games is my favorite thing in the world. Well, so is Harry Potter though. It's close. And here's another one that was kind of Melanie inspired. It's like pastel pink and then with metallic pastel blue beads. This one is the Pan Pride colors. It has like normal Pan Pride and then transparent Pan Pride, and it goes around, and then it has pan like hearts. This one is like kind of, it was meant to match like the new 21 Pilots like trench era stuff with like kind of the camo and the yellow, but you know, I actually don't really like these colors at all, so I never wear this. Maybe I'll put this in a trade one day. And then the last ones that I have are actually a set. So these are a little set that I made. And again, you can't really see, but you can see like the little letter beads that I have on them. So this one says, it says SWMMFG, and what that stands for is I was posting on my Snapchat story that I wanted a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or mostly a boyfriend, but like also a girlfriend, just someone. And my friend Michael, by the way, you should check out his channel, linked in the description. But I was like complaining, and he replied to my story, save world, make money, find guy, like in order, in steps. Save world because at the time I was super involved in environmental activism. I'm still involved a little bit with activism, but not as much as I was. Make money, obviously, because gotta make money, we're on that grind. And then find guy because that's what I was complaining about. So I have these bracelets that say save world, make money, find guy. And I don't really remember if there's any reason that I did them those colors, but that's my little set. Okay, now we're gonna do necklaces, which is the part of the video I'm most excited about. I keep looking over there because they're hanging right there. But first of all, this is my choker. It's black and I don't remember where I got it, but I've had it since middle school. I used to have a lot of chokers. I had like 2 black ones. I had a red one, a white one, and a blue one. Now I don't know where any of those are, but I have my black one, and then I have this one that I got at Claire's, and it's like yellow and pink and blue, and yeah, it's just cute. Now for actual necklaces though, I have this, and it's like vampire, it's like sparkly vampire teeth, and I kind of love it. I got this at Reams when I got a bunch of the clothes for the Scene Clothing Haul video. It's like, yeah, the whole thing's made of metal, none of it's plastic, and then it has the teeth that are just shiny, and then the fangs have like little fake diamonds all over them. I hope you can see it okay. Like, I'm really sorry if you can't, but I think it's cute. This one I did show in the Scene Clothing haul video, but like I want to show it again because it's cute. So it has a metal chain, and then it has this little knife on it. And if you can't tell, the actual metallic part of the knife is a mirror. So that's pretty cool. And then it has a blood coming off of it, like red shiny blood coming off of it. So yeah, my friend Eva got me this and I think it's pretty cool. Next one is more simple. This is just a heart on a black string, and it's like turquoise stone, you know, like the stone that's like turquoise and it has like little cracks in it. Yeah, it's that. And it's more simple, but it kind of just goes with everything. Like it's just cute with no matter, like with every outfit. So I have it, and this was given to me by my ex. She got it in Scotland, I think, and then she brought it back for me. And when I was getting rid of all the stuff that she gave me, I kept it because it's cute and I want it. So why would I get rid of it? This one is pretty cool. I don't wear it as much because I don't wear gold, and it is gold, not real gold, but like it's a time turner. So like I just mentioned, I love Harry Potter. I hate J.K. Rowling with a fiery burning passion, but like Harry Potter has helped me through a lot of hard things in my life, and so I'm like emotionally attached to it. And this was before the J.K. Rowling drama that I got this, but I was at a little festival with my parents and I was like, oh wow, that's cool, and they bought it for me, I think. Is that what happened, or did I buy it? I think that they bought it. I don't remember. But yeah, no, it's a time turner like Hermione uses in the 3rd book, Prisoner of Azkaban, to get to her classes. So, but it has pink sand because it's like an hourglass. Can you focus, please? It's like an hourglass, right? Because you know, like a time turner. And the sand inside the hourglass is pink, and then it turns this way and this way. So when you spin it, it spins both ways, and it's really cool. Okay, the last necklace that I have is actually this little dog tag. And I got this when I was 14, and I was at like this treatment place, and when you leave the treatment place, you get a dog tag to like celebrate. I was kicked out though, so I don't know if it was really a celebration, but like at the top it says JMCR because that was the name of the place. Then it says Ari because that's my name. And then what they did is they had the staff choose 3 words that like described you. And so the words they chose for me were joyful, assertive, and outgoing. Just funny because I don't think that I'm those things, but like, thanks. Also, I went back to school from that treatment center, and this girl that was like my friend who I hung out with all the time, she was like, what does that say? And I said, oh, it says joyful, assertive, and outgoing. And she went, you're none of those things, and just started laughing. And I was like, thank you. That is helpful to my recovery. Alright, I just have 2 more little things that I found that I thought I would show you, and then the video's almost done. So this is a ring that I got in middle school from this girl that I recently started talking to again. Hi Camille, if you watch my videos. But it kind of looks like Hello Kitty, but it's not Hello Kitty. But like it's sparkly, and then it has a little blue bow in it. And this other girl I was friends with who ended up being really mean to me, she had one with a pink bow. Isn't it cute? It's a little cat. And then the last thing are these earrings, and I don't know if this is the original packaging that they came in, but this is the packaging I put them in. And they're little hearts. They're like little rainbow hearts, like sparkly rainbow glitter hearts. Yeah, I don't really know how else to describe them, but they're really pretty. I used to have those in my ears, so like I have gauges. They're really small, but they're there, I promise. And then these earrings I have are just my birthstone, and I got them because they were the closest ones they had to black. And so I have like my 2nd piercings, and I used to have like one of the rainbow ones in this ear and then the stud in this ear, but then I had to take it out because my ear is like super sensitive, and I'm pretty sure this is like infected or something because I got it done at Claire's. Don't get your ears pierced at Claire's, guys. Not a good idea. But yeah, that was my jewelry. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I explained where I got everything in case you wanted it. The cleaver necklace is from Spencer's. I didn't say that. I hope to be making more candy in the future. I have like a trade that I'm doing, so I'm gonna try to make like a really big cuff with a design on it for that, because I'm super excited about my first candy trade. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll do like a candy haul collection video and show you like all my candy once I've made some cool things. But for now, that is all of my jewelry. I try to wear jewelry like when I get fully dressed up for like a video or to do TikToks or just for life. I try to wear jewelry because I think it's just really cute, and I used to never wear it, but now that I've started collecting jewelry that I actually like, I'm just like excited about it. Also, I do have some jewelry that is on my Mercari and some jewelry that will be going up on my Mercari. Mercari is basically like an online thrift store, so this shirt is also up on my Mercari. I wore it in this video to like show you. So yeah, I'm selling this on my Mercari, so if you want this shirt you can buy it. Link in the description to my Mercari. But yeah, I also have like band merch on there and other clothes and other accessories and stuff, so check it out. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it got your mind off of whatever you're trying to get your mind off of today. Everybody stay safe. I love you so much, and I will see you on the streets. Peace out. Bye.
I'm lying on the ground again. There's something killing